I'm gonna show you something that we don't do a lot of. This is a barra patrol. We don't do a lot of them, not because we can't, but because often people's expectations don't match reality. As soon as you talk conversion, there are so many possibilities of issues, which we're not interested in. This particular car and customer is great. He's done a lot of the work himself with another workshop that does conversion stuff. So he's gotten over all of the problems before bringing it in for a tune. So now it's here just to be tuned. It's Barra ZF with a Haltech ECU. He went the Haltech route for a little bit of protection of his investment. He knows he's going to give it a hard time. He's going to go do full driving. He's going on the sand and he wants it reliable. So we're going to set up all the safeties that we can within that ECU to make sure that there's as little chance of an issue as possible. When I talk about people's unrealistic expectations, people think, hey, I'm going to go grab a Barra and a factory harness and throw it in the car and it's going to work. Off your head, it's not going to happen. There are a lot of people that are starting to do harnesses like Bill Hoonton and others out there that have experienced what needs to be done within factory harnesses and factory ECUs to make things work. Cool, let them do that. If you want us to tune it, we can, providing the car already works, runs, does everything it needs to before it walks in the door.